Hello, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6T. In this video I'll show you how to manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter File Manager app. And now, from the homepage of this app, you can manage your downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other apps. Also you can calculate storage, check your collections and internal storage. Then, you can use nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Next, you can use clean function to remove junk files from the smartphone, and in the end, you can go to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.